Dear friend, now today I shall upgrade the firmware of the Galaxy Samsung mobile. First of all, you download the audio and record Samsung flash file. I have downloaded audio setup and flash file already. A30 FN. First of all, you select BL file. This is BL file, BL extension. This is BL file. Select this file first up. Second, you select AP file. AP file. Then select CP file. CP A307 FN. After and select CS file. CS file. After selecting the all files, your device power off and put into download mode. Device is in download mode. Here show edit the device in the audio. When you put all these four files and then click start, it begins to flash Samsung Galaxy devices firmware. After this process, system process completed, your device restart. Now your mobile is in updated firmware, binary firmware. This is simple process to update Samsung Galaxy's devices with audience. After completed the flash, the phone, now I root the mobile for repair IME. Now I select a majestic patch file and put mobile into download mode. First of all, I connect the Wi-Fi and built-in 7 bar click built-in number and unlock OEM and USB debugging. Power off the phone and put the phone in download mode and download mode. Device unlock mode. Press volume, long press up volume. Device unlock mode. and click start. Your device is now in unlock mode, and reset the device. Long press power button. Your device start into repress setting. Now your mobile in download mode, and PRAM file select, because it remove the all logo disappear. Unlock logo disappear file. Now open the camera tool and select this, connect the mobile. Click repair. Give the original Imei. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. This is simple process to change the Imei of any mobile. Next. Show setting on the screen. Open the dial pad and enter the code *# 0808 hash and select DC ACM and ADB. System install the another driver. When driver completed, click OK. Driver is completed 100%. Click OK. Further process start. Click OK and add mobile. Click repair. Give original Imei. Paste. Copy. Paste. Start. Repair. This option. Start. Now Imei is phone is disconnected. Imei is repair done. After the restart the phone, now connect the cable with phone. Imei is repaired. If you change the Imei, then click patch certificate. If you don't write the original IME, then don't click the right certificate. This is a complete process of Samsung Galaxy mobiles flashing, root, IME repair, and patch certificate. Done.